Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tobias from Oakwood Homes. I'm going to be conducting a live stream today for this one-bedroom apartment in St Placid Apartments, which is Victoria Parade, Ramsgate. As usual, I'm just going to wait a few moments for anybody who's late to joining the live stream, just a few more moments so that they can join. If anyone is currently watching, if you wouldn't mind just popping a yes or here in the question box so I can see that everything's working, you can hear and see me perfectly well. That'd be really appreciated. If not, we'll just continue on with the live stream shortly. I'm just going to wait a few more moments for anyone to join. So I've not had anyone put anything in the question box yet, so I'm just going to wait a few more seconds. But if someone is watching, if you could do that for me, it'd be appreciated. As we go throughout the property, you can obviously put anything in the question box as we go through, and I'll try my best to answer any questions for you. Also, this video will be uploaded to YouTube later this afternoon, so if you are missing anything from the beginning, obviously you can rewatch that as well. So before we get started, we're going to be conducting a live stream today for this one-bedroom flat in St Placid Apartments, Victoria Parade. I'm currently standing in the hallway. I'll take you through into the property and we'll go through each room and I'll show you as much of it as I can. Just to give you a bit of information about this property before we get started. It is a council tax band A, an EPC rating D. It's 548 square feet. And it'll be made available from the 2nd of July. This one is on the market for £700 per calendar month with a 5-week security deposit of £807. So I'm going to get started and take you through. So this is the main entrance to the flat. When you first come in, you're greeted with the hallway, which has this really interesting funky wallpaper all the way around. I'll show you that. Straight ahead is the kitchen. To the left is the living room, you have the bathroom, and then the bedroom round into this corner as well. So it's got laminated flooring in the bedroom and the hallway and the living room. And it's a nice size space. You've got a storage cupboard in there. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you. The tenant obviously made me aware that they're in the process of moving, so there's quite a lot of boxes and stuff in there, but that's essentially where the immersion heater is. Being an electric only flat, there's no gas, so you've got a large water tank in there essentially. I'm just going to give you a sense of the size of this room. A nice entrance, high ceilings, which is one of the nice features of this property. So it's really high ceilings. And one of the first rooms I'm going to show you today is the kitchen. So I'm going to pan around and take you in there. It's obviously a long kitchen, plenty of countertop space and cupboards above. So the tenant has informed me that the white goods, which includes this fridge, washing machine, and then there's a tall standing fridge freezer at the end, because of their circumstances, they're going to be selling them, or potentially if one of you yourselves want them, when you phone in to put your application forward, mention that in the application and we'll have a chat with the tenants and see if we can make any arrangements for you. One of the notable things of this property is just the sheer stunning view that you get from the height of this one. So you get a view of Ramsgate Parade, which is just absolutely stunning. Really, really nice shots here from the kitchen and also would be from the living room as well. So just down there will take you into Ramsgate town. And up that way will take you further up the parade. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a bit more of this room. This room is actually 7.9 metres by 3.05 metres. So it's a really nice size. As I mentioned before, you've got lots of cupboard space, lots of countertop space, integrated electric hob and oven, sink along here as well. Again, apologies for the items, tenants are in the process of moving. But yeah, plastered walls, nice large window letting in lots of natural light. That is a UPVC window as well, so it is double glazed. And then vinyl flooring. Obviously, if anyone does have any questions, please feel free to pop them in the question box. I'll do my best to answer them for you. So that was the kitchen. I'm going to take you now into the living room. So this room is 6.73 metres by 5 metres. So a really nice size. Got 2 large windows there. Really nice size space. Laminated flooring. Big enough, I would say, to have your living room and perhaps even dining room. Current tenant's got it set up more for like a computer, like work office space, so you could easily have a dining table in here as well. But yeah, really nice size room. And again, I'll show you those views from this window, similar to the kitchen, but just really nice sea views all around there. Show you from this side, so you've got a nice size mantle there for the fireplace, but that is blocked off. As you can see, it's nicely presented. Obviously, once all the items are removed, you'll get a sense of what it's like as well. And once all the applications are submitted, we will arrange physical viewings for people to see. So just round there, you've got the electric panel heating, which can be very efficient. Okay, so that's the living room. I'm going to take you into the next room, which is the bathroom. So this room is 3.10 metres by 3.43 metres. So a nice size as well. You've got toilet, bath with shower screen up there. So it's a fully tiled room. And then basin over there as well. There's obviously some issues along here, which will be reported to the property management team and will be looked at when the tenants move out. So if you've got any concerns with anything as you go round, mention it in the application form, and we can obviously raise that to the landlord and see what works can be done if necessary. But yeah, nice tiled room all the way throughout. So dual lever system on the toilet, bath, and then the shower is attached to the tap. So it's a mixer tap, both hot and cold on there, and that attaches up to the wall. And you've just got to mix the tap on the basin here, and then obviously a towel radiator on there, but that needs to be hooked up to the wall again by the looks of it. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the last room now, which is the bedroom. Again, also a really nice size. This is a double bedroom, so it's 4.55 metres by 5.36 metres. Unfortunately, the live streams never quite do it justice, but it is a good size with high ceilings, so really nice. Tenants themselves have a double bed in here. The electric panel heating, the same as in the living room, is just on that wall as well. But as you can see, yeah, nice high ceilings here. The views from this side is overlooking the back part of the property. So some scaffolding currently up there. This obviously is a single wooden sashed window in this room. Painted grey walls, laminated floors. Unfortunately, I can't show you from that side there, but you've got a fitted cupboard in the corner here as well. So you can obviously get some storage. And that does conclude the entirety of this property. I've not had any questions so far, which is obviously good news. Must be doing my job right. If anyone has any questions, now's the best time, because I will be ending the live stream. But from now on, if you're interested in the property and you do want to apply, all you have to do is call the office. The number is 01843 222 700. That's 01843 222 700. Just to reiterate some points from earlier. So this was a live stream that was conducted for a one-bedroom apartment in St Placid's Apartments, Victoria Parade in Ramsgate. It was a council tax band A, EPCD, 548 square foot, going to be made available from the 2nd of July, and it's currently on the market for £700 per calendar month with a 5-week deposit of £807. Right, well, thank you very much for joining me today on the live stream. I hope you all are well. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.